I'm Katie, and I'm going to show you how to do a Dutch fishtail braid today. So for the French fishtail braid, you're going to start with a small section on the top and divide it into two. So what I'm going to do is I have my pointer fingers out, and whichever side you want to start with, I take a little section from the right side and bring it over to the left. And then I do the same thing. I bring one section over from the left side to the right. And I'm going to do this one more time until you start seeing the braid form a little bit. So there you are. There's the beginning of your braid. So since we just added hair from the left side, I'm going to dive my fingers under, and I have the little pincher fingers waiting for me to add hair on the right. And then what I'm going to do too is do it again on the left. I'm going to add hair from the left into the right section. See how beautiful that is and how that's already forming? It happens pretty quickly. So then what I like to do is take my pointer finger and add hair from the inside of the braid into the left side. And then I add hair from the left side of the braid into the right side. Then what I'm going to do too now is dive under and grab some hair from the right side. And then go under and add hair from the left side. I'm going to add hair from the inside of the braid on the right and the inside of the braid on the left. So I'm using larger sections for this braid just so you can see how this is forming, but you can very well add really soft, tiny sections to really get those little petals happening. So now I'm going to add hair from the right. Hair from the left. So this is a similar pattern to the French fishtail. Outside, outside, inside, inside. So now we're doing inside, inside. And see how that's just creating a really nice 3D effect. So now I'm diving under, grabbing some hair from the right. Diving under. From the left. Now since this braid is nice and thick already, I'm not going to keep adding hair all the way down. I'm going to make this actually a half updo. So this is really great to do for weddings and any sort of like prom hair. Just keep going down, take your pointer fingers and just keep scooping it from the middle of the braid. Now you can see that this braid looks a little different from an actual fishtail braid. And the difference between the two braids is the arrow of the Dutch fishtail actually points up, and on the regular fishtail, the arrow actually points down. This braid is beautiful when it's pieced out, and I'm going to show you how to do that next. So to piece out a Dutch fishtail, I usually just start at the bottom and I gently pinch and pull, going from one side to the next. I always start a little small because you can just keep on expanding it later. This is a really great way to add a thickness to an updo, a little bohemian. is how you do a Dutch fishtail braid.